Let's make some Oriental stir fry. This could be cooked with either paneer or chicken along with your favorite veggies. Crush together some black peppercorns, ginger and garlic to a fine paste. Heat some oil in a wok. Add in your ground paste and saute. Now add in cubed onions along with some green chillies. Some salt to taste and saute until the onions sweat. Now add in your sliced baby corn along with some broccoli and saute this. For your stir fry sauce, mix in some oyster sauce together with chili and soy sauce. Mix this sauce well and let the veggies get steamed for about 5 minutes till they are partially cooked. Post 5 minutes, add in your chicken along with the bell peppers. Stir this in with the veggies. Add in 2 cups of water. Mix it together with the veggies. Cover this and steam this on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Now add in some white vinegar, sugar and salt to taste. Add in some corn flour slurry to thicken your sauce. Mix all this well together and cook on a medium flame for about 2 minutes and your Oriental stir fry is now ready to serve. Let's do a taste test. Cheers.